Yo, hola, okay, hola. You see a bad bitch coming through, yo, what the hola? I'm in that new me and new way I roll up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this video and I also filmed on how to make a wig like this as well. This wig can be done glueless as well, but today I chose to keep it glued down because I plan on keeping it for a little bit longer and wearing it longer. So this hair is from Supernova Hair and I'm wearing two 32 inches and two 30 inches and it's a 6x6 closure. If I'm wrong, I have everything listed like right there so you guys can really see. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see the hair and see how it looks. So this is how long it is. I'm about I'll say I'm about 5'5", and it goes past my butt for 32 inches. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in this tutorial, keep on watching. And make sure you guys check out Supernova Hair for some bomb quality hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to begin by opening up my package. These are just the things that I received. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be gossiping down my baby hairs. And then I'm going to go ahead and begin applying the bleach. I use BW2. Also, I use CHAR for the developer. And I just mix that in until I have a consistency that is about thick. You don't want it to be too watery or too thick. You need it to be just right. So now I'm going ahead and I'm just pushing it through. I'm not pushing it through too hard, but I am doing it a little bit lightly. And after I push it through, I like to just flip it over and make sure that everything has been fully bleached. So that's what I do when I flip it over and make sure that it's being pushed in just a lot. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let that timer sit for about 10 minutes, and once it's been finished, I'm going to sit it in shimmer lights and then I'm going to wash it out. So now I'm going to begin the process of the wig making. I like to use a men's dome cap. That's always what I've been using. So real quick, I did end up filming. I am going to take my hot comb and I'm going to make a middle part. So the mistake that I did make this time is I did not pull the hair forward so much. So next time, I've done this before. I don't know what made me forget, but I did put the lace down a little bit too close, and I was supposed to leave at least 2 inches of space out. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so tired. I literally just got off of work. It's like 12 in the morning right now. But anyways, I'm just going in now and I'm going to be double knotting it with my thread and needle, and I'm going through. Usually when I film this part on my clients, I always miss it, but I was able to get a good view for you guys can see what I'm doing. So here's a quick tip. Whenever you guys are sewing down a closure, always make sure that you also sew the left side and then you cut off the thread and start sewing it from the beginning on the right side. You never want to go all the way around folding the closure because that will make the closure scrunch up and that'll make it humpy. So make sure you start on one side and finish on the other side. So now that I'm just about finished sewing the closure down to the dome cap, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to cut off the dome cap. No particular reason, I just decided I always usually just cut it off and try it on to make sure it fits or that it's going to fit. Now I'm going to be putting the mannequin back on. I'm putting the wig, well not even a wig yet, but the closure back on the wig mannequin, and now I'm taking my first bundle. So I am wearing 4 bundles, and 2 bundles are 30 inches and the other 2 are 32 inches. I'm going ahead and taking my spritz, and I did spray it on the dome cap, and I actually went ahead and sprayed some more. So you'll see me throughout the video constantly spray the wig with spritz. That just kind of makes it hold better and have like a tighter hold on your wig. I am using the 30 seconds lace, not lace, but bonding glue, and I'm just going in with that. I'm not going in a particular way. I'm just going straight across, and I'm basically going to keep doing it until I get to the top. So now I'm just going ahead and going in with my makeup powder, and this is my foundation powder. I like to put that on the lace just to blend it out some more. If there's any knots that didn't bleach, your face powder will cover it right up. So as you guys can see, the wig looks pretty good on. I'm going to be going ahead and doing 2 layers of my Ghost Bond glue. And as you guys can see, my forehead is pretty far from where I actually put the lace at. And yes, y'all. So I'm just going in and making sure that it's dry, going in with my second coat. Once I finish my second coat and it turns clear, I will begin to apply the lace. Now that the glue is fully clear, I just pull it forward and I just apply my lace. I'm tapping it down and pushing it in and making sure any parts that don't have any glue on, I'm making sure that I get those little parts. Guys, I always say this in my videos, but if you're new to my channel, please, please, please make sure that the whole area of your lace is fully glued down. You don't want to let any pieces stay up because that will just basically point out the lace, and plus when you're doing your baby hairs, it'll flip up. I'm now going ahead and adjusting my part, and I'm pressing out my hair with my hot comb. I'm not really going to be going in too hard with the hot comb because the hair is already flat. So now I'm going to begin doing my baby hairs, and for today I will be using the She's Balm Collection Balm Goo Gel on my baby hairs, and I do not have an actual clean crisp needle, so you guys will see me using the scissors. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, at one point I picked up a knife because I was really getting frustrated, but I like to cut my baby hairs with razors. Also, guys, I will be plucking my hair while I do my baby hairs as well, just to get it to have a nice, better look. Oh my god, there goes the knife. Honestly, y'all, I tried it with the knife. Like, I'm crazy. But anyways, guys, I'm almost done with my baby hairs, and these are how they're looking. Alright, y'all, so now I'm just about done. I'm just going over some of my baby hairs. These are the baby hairs that I got. This is a closure, but you know I makes it do what it do. So now I'm going ahead and adjusting my part. I'm going to be using wax stick on my part as well, just to slick it down. And the wax stick that I'm going to be using is also from She's Balm Collection. I'm now going in with my BTZ Smooth Criminal Blowout Balm Spray. Y'all, I love this it's not a spray, but it's like an oil. It's really good. I'm also defining my part, and y'all know how I do. I don't know why it's so zoomed in, but y'all, I use spritz on the hair, and I go in with my oil sheen, and then voila. I'm now going ahead and flattening out my hair, getting that to look silky straight. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Be sure to check out Supernova for some bomb affordable quality hair.